Hi guys, Apurva this side. Today we are going to see Spyvio review, and but before that I want to tell you a very happy Merry Christmas to all of you. And this is the best software for spying to your competitor. So with this software you can spying on your competitors' email sequence, ads and funnels also. So this is a very effective camera if you want to spy on your competitor, if you want to see what your competitors are doing, how the email sequences are, and how they interacted with your with their customers also. So this is very effective if you want to spying. Okay, so we are here at the dashboard, or we are here at the members area. If you want to log in, after that you are going to this on your computer also. So today we are going to see this the features of it and the benefits of it and how it is well known. And but before that we are going to see the bonuses which you get if you want to buy from my link, which is in the description below. Okay, so let's see the bonuses first, and after that going to see and the demo. Okay, so this is the review from my side. I am reviewing it on my website. If you want to go and just check it, my description, there is a link available here. Okay, so let's see the bonuses. So the first bonus is web conversion video. After that there is an instant content creator bonus. Next is WordPress headline pro. After that article indexer pro. Next is lead magnet on demand. Next is smart expert beach landing page plugin, extreme list build plugin, marketing mini site templates, lead capture page match, viral marketing tips and success strategies, lead acquisition 101, viral list autopilot, power list pro. All are one bonuses, and the descriptions are there. So if you want to check it, you can. Okay, I didn't read all of these descriptions. Next is web list pro software. After that email marketing basics video course, lead generation for beginners, 100 mobile web templates, prime video secret, promoting affiliate products, influencer marketing, composer training video series, viral market list builder, membership site promotion tactics, WordPress Engage Plus plugin, search marketing 2.0, viral growth training, leadership authority gold, WP checkout maximizer, profit equalizer, online viral marketing secret. So these are the 35 bonuses. I guess 35 bonuses are there. So all the market cost is around $66,000. So if you want to get it, all are free for you. Okay, so next the vendor bonuses which you get from vendor. The Neil Napier, he is the vendor of Spyvio. Okay, so first bonus is email survey funnel. Next is email list building strategy. Next is 15 done for you Facebook ads, my ad rotator, fly in ads creator, and that's all. After that you have to click on this and you are redirected to the sales page. So this is the sales page of Spyview, and you can see this unique app gives you one click unlimited insider access to 2000 ads, funnels and emails from top business worth 1 billion. So you can, that's all, you can spy on your competitors. Okay, so the benefits is find, research, collect and store more profitable ads, funnels, emails of all your competitors. Pick to get instant access to 100 top businesses, their highest earning funnels, emails and ad campaigns. Save time and money on heat and trial of campaigns that don't work. Create one click copy winning campaigns without spending any money. Customize these campaigns from your own businesses for instant profit. Sales proven to convert funnels, emails and ads for big bucks. So in a nutshell, you just spy on your competitors emails, ad funnels, all of this. Okay, so you can store their emails also, you can store their ads also. And I'll show you this. Okay, so now we'll show the demo actually. So the first you have to go to inbox, and after that clicking on inbox button, you have to see these are the emails are there auto. So these are the emails for done for you emails are there. So you can see the sequences of these emails. So here also, here you can see the sequence of emails. So here is 123 emails are there. So Ramit Sethi, who is sending these emails to their customers, and they how they made their relationship with their customers, you can see from here also. Okay, here is Shopify blogs email sequences are there. Kitty from Hubstuff email sequences are there. Service blog Hubstuff email sequences. Shopify blogs email sequences. Here is 66 emails. Here is 58 emails also there. So if you want to see every emails, you have to click on their view mail option, and after that you will see the email. So if you want to edit with your own, if you can, then here is the button, you have to click on edit email, and you can edit everything you want and load it with your here storage. Okay, so here is the storage option also there. If you can, or if you want to edit it, you can edit it. If you want to change the emails, change the name and everything. Okay, so after that, if you have to save the copy, and if you have a mail view, if you have mail view, then you can store directly to the mail view. Okay, so next you have to go to ads section, which is simply same. And here in Spyvio, they give a Chrome extension. Okay, so every time you go through any Facebook ads or Google ads, they are spying these ads information, and they give you most important information of these ads. Okay, so you can go through is there. Here is a pre-made ad also. So if you want to add you want to view ad. After that, if you want to click on full details, they give you the full details of these ads. Okay, so these are the very good cool features are there. After that, you have to click on funnels. So go to funnels, and if you want to spy their particular page, then you have to click on their URLs here. Okay, after that, go to search, and they give you the funnel sequences also. So here, if you want to see, mail view has a 16 page, and if you want to see this 16 page are here also, just click on every view page and go to the view. Okay, go to page. So directly you go to this page also. Here you can see the page of mail view. Most probably this one is upsell 2 or 1. Okay, so they are directly send it you to the OTO 1 or 2, everything you can want. Okay, so this is the cool features. And if you want to edit it, I will show you. If you want to edit it, or you can save it for the next, if you research for research purpose. Okay, so you can research it. So this is pretty all simple navigations are there. So if you want to go through it, you can go in my review page. There is a demo from vendor. If you want to go through it, I'll show you. Okay, so this is the Spyvio demo is here. If you want to go through it, you can just link in the description below. So the first price, I will show you the prices. The first price is front end price is $37, and the business price is $47. OTO 1 is $17. I'll show you from sales page also. So these are the prices of front end. So front end price is $37, which is one time, and Spyvio 100k into 100 bonuses businesses. So business price is $47, which is one time also. OTO 1 is $17, unlimited Spyvio library. OTO 2 is done for you top 10 funnels plus funnel view, which is $197 one time. Spyvio agency 100 and unlimited accounts, which is $297 for 100 accounts and $797 for unlimited accounts. So next is Spyvio OLS, which is overnight list success, which is $47 one time. So these are the pretty price of Spyvio. And the with OTO 1 you will get unlimited collect unlimited emails, unlimited ads, unlimited funnels, bonus plus bonus 25,000 assets done for your library, early access to new features, grandfathered no other payments, priority support. OTO 2 is done for you funnel view. So funnels and landing pages from 10 top 10 businesses duplicated, all pages redesigned and rewritten, making them unique and commercially unable, usable. Sorry. One click import all the funnels, sample funnels, Tony Robbins challenge funnels, socially inclined, even pagan info, product funnel, and more. Bonus is access to funnel view. Here is OTO 3 Spyvio agency. OTO 4 is overnight leak success. So all you can access here also my review page, so you can go through it. Okay, so here is 14 days money back guarantee also there, so you don't need to hesitate to give a try this software, which is huge. And so this is the best software from Neil Napier, who is a 8-figure marketer. So he's a 10 plus year experience is also there, so don't be hesitated to give a try with this software. So I hope this is it, and I hope you love the review. I hope you understand what is the Spyvio, and give a try these bonuses also. So thank you guys, link in the description, you have to check it, my first link. Okay, so thank you guys, bye bye, Merry Christmas, have a great year ahead. Thank you.